Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Do you have an overwhelming space? I have got you. We are organizing a bathroom. I've got tons of tips, but more than that, motivation. Let's hit it.
Organizing can feel overwhelming, even at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to take you through the 5 products you'll never pass up again. These might surprise you. Say hi to my friend Sarah. She is a teacher, so I definitely wanted to help her get organized for back to school. This is her adorable daughter.
I mean, honestly, this is the best assistant I could have asked for. She's so sweet.
Dollar Tree hacks are so fun, but before we can get to those, we've got to declutter. So these are the strategies that I used.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through all of this and just, if we can make super quick decisions, like try not to think too much about it, but like these are yeses, these are nos, and these are donates. So you wanna be able, like, what are the main things you do here every day? I'll start pulling them out and you let me know.
Those are a save.
Okay. Okay, so these are a save, but you don't necessarily need under here. Got it.
The best question you can ask yourself is, how do I use this space? And how do I want to use this space? What are the items I actually reach for? And the items that I don't, I should consider decluttering. I said out the gate, we've got to get rid of 50% of what's here, but Sarah was so willing. So we started to make piles of things that she keeps and things that she doesn't.
The claw. You have been chosen.
What's so encouraging is everything you're seeing here only took us about 10 minutes, and we delegated. We took all of the nail polish and we gave it to her daughter to go sort, so that way we could continue working in this space. And now, once we've decluttered and know what we need, enter the Dollar Tree party section. And no, I'm not kidding. I'm talking the catering supplies. My favorite items in the catering section are these lidded candy jars. Now, they're not airtight, but they're amazing for organization. These veggie trays also work amazing in drawers, and a brand new product this year are these round serve trays. These are scalloped and beautiful and perfect for corralling items. Teach your items where they need to stay on a counter. And you don't always need to buy new. You can shop your house.
We just went shopping in Sarah's house and grabbed this stand from upstairs that they weren't using. And I got these bins from the dollar store. We're gonna put this in the corner. She had some of her daughter's hats and headbands and things that they were using just kind of sitting on the floor. I think this adds, like, this feels like a spa. You deserve to have a bathroom that feels like a spa. All right, we are going to spa this up. Do you stick out your tongue when you do stuff? I do too. I do. Carson and I both do that. I think it's a genetic thing. Leave a comment down below if you stick out your tongue when you're doing things, guys. So I can never show my face, but here you can see it. I'm like.
We used the tray to make sure items wouldn't slip through the slats. And the candy jar was perfect for all of her bath bombs. Doesn't this look so fun and colorful? She already had a really elegant tray right on the counter, but she just needed to go through and weed out the items that were distracting her from the things that she uses every day. Think about how many decisions you make in a day. Wouldn't it be so nice to have fewer?
This is a solid declutter. I like this.
And when you're on a roll, roll with it. Something that Sarah said that really stuck with me is she was ready to feel lighter. And she made decisions like that. She didn't really get bogged down in each little item. She saw the bigger picture right away, which is she wanted a space that was really usable. And her husband definitely rolled with it.
Ready, dump it, dump it, dump it.
Which gave me time to get distracted by literally the best Dollar Tree product ever.
I think it feels so good.
She knew what she was doing, so we decided to put together a little spa basket so she could actually get to those items to be able to relax, especially as a busy teacher. We put them all in this Dollar Tree basket, and we subdivided and categorized items from those hair bows that used to be sitting in those baskets on the floor, and we were able to stack them on this shelf. They're easy to access and so beautiful all together. Nothing gets lost. And now that you've decluttered, you're totally ready for those hacks. And these are the products that are going to last the long haul and prevent items from getting dusty. I really love these Snap storage totes. They come with lids. They're only $1.25, and the drawer organizers are incredible from the Dollar Tree. I mean, these I've used for so many years. They subdivide and they are perfect. So these Snap containers are only available a couple of times a year, and back to school, they're available now. They come in all sorts of sizes, from long and flat to tall, but they stack up and they're clear so you don't lose what you have. So we took items that she would access frequently frequently in the bathroom, like her travel gear, and we pared everything down, including that nail polish, so it fit all in one bin. Organizing from top down is the best. You can see these containers from the party section, and I can see down into each of these bins that she's grabbing from every single day. And you see these push lights? These are indoor LED wall tap lights. They're battery operated. You just push them up just like you would a light switch. I adore putting these inside of cabinets using command strips. Check this out. When you turn it on, it lights the entire inside and it looks so high end. And systems I can put back in place in any order are my favorite. If you want to know a secret of professional organizers, it's that uniformity and free space help keep things organized. I aim to leave 20% of a space free. We kept her husband's items in these little pull-out acrylic drawers, and these are from the dollar spot at Target, so kind of like the dollar store. They were about $3 each, and I set them up so you can see everything and they're easy to wipe down. And speaking of her husband, walking through her house, he is an incredible artist. He had done so many beautiful pieces of art throughout their home, so I asked him to bring in a few pieces to test out in the space because I thought it would be really nice to have something to anchor it.
I'm just running around the house grabbing art.
This is the one we landed on. The colors and the sizing were just right. We gave everything a quick clean because, just as a reminder, clean things always feel new. That's the secret to loving a space a little more. So if you've ever thought you don't have the time or the money to invest in yourself, I want this video to remind you you can be wrong. And oh man, it's good news. And the Dollar Tree right now has a bunch of Sterilite containers for just $3 each.
We decluttered so many things, at least 50% of what she had underneath of here. So now it's all of the things that she uses, nothing is expired, it's really easy to see, and everything is labeled. And what's more than that, everything that's underneath is categorized and organized by how much she needs to access it.
Your space should allow you to make fewer decisions. It should make your day easier, not harder. Life is busy enough.
I absolutely adore how this art turned out. It is so beautiful, it's custom.
Also, did you know Dollar Tree carries metal hooks?
I want to show you this trick. I want to do this at my house. She has a little hook that she installed for her hair dryer right on the side of her cabinet. This is genius.
It is such an honor for me to get to share the things that I love, like doing things affordably with others.
If you've ever wondered if you could be a YouTuber or influencer, you want this job and you want a custom path laid out for you, you can subscribe for an absolutely free masterclass webinar. The link is down below. Me and my friend Angela Brana from This Gathered Nest and Dawn from The Minimal Mom teamed up to make a How to Be a YouTuber course. It's the most affordable one that I have ever seen, and we dish everything. We do not hold back. This gift is for you, especially if you love making online content, or maybe you have a message you have to share.
Take it from me, sharing your passions is such a true gift.
My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.